Now let's look at recurring charges. What is a recurring charge? It's a charge that is applied to the customer's account at the frequency that I choose. For example, if I want to charge a customer's account $80 per month, then I can add a recurring charge, and every month on the date that I choose, the customer will have an $80 charge applied to their account. Now, if you are billing in advance for service, for example, if you bill in May for service that you're going to do in June, especially if you charge on a per visit basis, then this is not the recurring charge that you want to set up. You want to look at the pre-billed recurring charges. That's the one that you use to set up service for on a per visit basis or for service that you're charging in advance. Okay, so how do we add a recurring charge to accounts? You go into invoices and you're going to scroll down until you see operations, and under operations you'll see recurring customer charges. Go ahead and click that and it brings up the list of the ones that you already have. We're going to click the add button and it brings up the screen. Now, if I want this charge to be applied to all my customers, I'll leave the customer ID and the pool ID fields blank and then fill in the rest. But this time I only want this charge to be applied to one customer, so I'm going to click the list and select the customer from that list, and you'll notice it fills in the customer ID and the customer name. Then I choose the first day that I want this charge to be applied to their account. I'm going to choose the 26th. Now, I normally bill my customers around the 30th. I want to make sure that when I add a recurring charge, that I add the charge before I do billing. So I'm going to add the charge a few days before I do my billing. So I'll choose the 26th. I'm going to leave it monthly, although I could have selected quarterly or twice a month or whatever. I'm billing them monthly, so I'll just leave it monthly. I want to charge them $80, and I'm going to call this monthly service charge. I'm not going to apply any sales tax because this is a labor charge and I don't need to charge them. If you need to charge taxes on labor, go ahead and select yes. And I could have used the charge code here, but I just want to charge the $80 flat fee, so I'm going to click the submit button, and now it's added my charge. I'm going to verify that, and there's my monthly service charge set up to charge once a month for $80. And that's how you add a recurring customer charge.